Hi there, this is Manor Hussain from Wix Web Expert. In this video, I will show you how can you change the favicon on your website. Like as I have done a website with called Glambot, and in this website you can see this website have not any favicon icon. You can see Wix have a favicon, Facebook have a favicon, Google Meet have a favicon, and the Calendly have a favicon. Every website have a icon that shows on the browser top here. So for your website, if you have the favicon already, it's fine. Otherwise, now I will show you how can you update the favicon with Wix. Here the favicon will display here. So let's go. I just need to go to the website, and then I need to go to here the settings, and after that I need to go to from here SEO setting. One second, let me go to the settings again, and here have you can see here manage your site's name URL favicon. So you just need to go there, website settings. Here is the website name. The website name was at first Glambot, so then I was started with Glambot. Now the website name is Photo Glambot, so I can update the name as well from here, Photo Glambot. And here is the favicon icon. You can see your favicon. I just need to click upload image, and then I need to find here the icon of the website. If the icon is there, it's fine. Otherwise, I need a square image, the square icon, because it's square here. So I need to find the icon. So I have the icon. Let me go to my folder. Here is that. Here is the icon. So if I want to make it perfect, then I can go to online Photoshop, that's called Photopea, and then let me open the image. Here is the icon, open, and I need a 100, so width will be like as 200, height will be 200. Create. Here is that. Okay, here is that. And now let me remove the background from here with the magic wand tool. Here is that. Delete. Okay, delete. Okay, now I just need to move it to here, and if I want to I want to keep it look like that way at the middle, and I need to change the color. So here is that, the color overlay here. I need to make it black. It's already black, otherwise I have option here to change the color. I can do any color, so I need black. Okay, and now background will be removed here. I need to bring it at the middle. I can make it something bigger. Okay, it's on the middle. Okay, and now I need to export it as PNG obviously, then we will get a background removed picture. Export as PNG. Project name I can put here Photo Glambot Favicon, and then I just need to click here save, and I want to save it on the download folder. And now I need to go back to settings here, then I need to upload it here, Photo Glambot Favicon, and here is the icon. It's uploaded. Now choose file, and then I just need to click save. And after clicking here save, I just need to refresh here, then I can see icon will be appear here. So let me reload. Icon should be there. Yes, we got it. You can see here the icon, we can see here. Let me, okay, so look like that way you can update your website Favicon on your Wix website. So if this video is helpful for you, then subscribe my YouTube channel. If you need any kind of Wix help with your website, you may knock me. I am here to assist you to solve your any kind of issue on your Wix website. Thank you so much.